In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on MailChimp. By following these steps, you will successfully update your profile with a new email address. Begin by navigating to the MailChimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the MailChimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the MailChimp dashboard, which displays your account information and campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface before proceeding. Next, locate and click on the profile option. This can usually be found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Upon clicking profile, you will be taken to a new screen that presents your account settings and personal information. Ensure that you are on the profile settings page before moving on. After that, find and click on the email address field. This option will be visible within your profile settings. Once selected, the current email address associated with your account will be displayed. Make sure you can see this information clearly before continuing to the next step. Now, type in your new email address in the provided field. Ensure that you enter the email address accurately to avoid any issues. Double check for typos as you input the new information. Confirm that the new email address is one that you have access to, as you may need to verify it later. Once you have entered the new email address, click on the update button to save your changes. This button is typically located at the bottom of the email address field. After clicking update, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your email address has been successfully changed. Verify that this message is displayed before exiting the profile settings. It is important to remember that changing your email address may require you to verify the new address through a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox for any necessary verification steps. Additionally, if your new email address is significantly different from the previous one, consider updating any connected services or subscriptions accordingly.